KVR Maths Academy, Maths an easy way.
Okay, this is the first sum in exercise 11.2. Evaluate the following. It is sin 45 plus cos 45 is equal to how much? First sum. Sin 45 plus cos 45. Let us solve. Sin 45, what is the value of sin 45? Yes, 1 by root 2. Plus cos 45 means it is also 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. This is, what is the LCM? Root 2 is the LCM. Here 1 plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2 by root 2. Okay, 2 by root 2. Here, root 2, how can you write? Root 2 into root 2 na? Root 2 into root 2 whole square, that is 2. By this is root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. So answer is root 2. So sin 45 plus cos 45 is equal to root 2. Understood? Yeah. Next, second one. Cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 60. What is the value of cos 45? Yes, say that is 1 by root 2 by secant 30. Yes, 2 by root 3 plus cosecant 60 is, yes, that is also 2 by root 3. Yeah, that is equal to 1 by root 2 by, what is the LCM? Yes, root 3. Root 3 is the LCM. Here 2 plus 2. 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 is 4 by root 3. It is also can be written as 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 4. Right? So this is root 3 by 4 root 2 answer. Root 3 by 4 root 2. Why? Because of I written root 3 by 4. If you transfer into this side, this will be reciprocal of root 3 by 4. Understood? Yeah. Next. Look here. Sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus secant 30. What is the value of sin 30? Yes, 1 by 2 plus tan 45. How much? Yes, 1 minus cosecant 60. Cosecant 60 is, yes, 2 by root 3 by cot 45 is, yes, 1 plus cos 60, yes, 1 by 2 minus secant 30, yes, that is also equal to 2 by root 3. Look here, numerator and denominators are same or not? 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by 3, both are same or not? Yes. Get cancelled in one time, the answer is 1. Is it? Understood? In the first one, fourth sum. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. We have to find the value of this one. See solution. 2 into tan square 45, which means tan 45 is, yes, 1 square plus cos 30. Cos 30 is how much? Yes, root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60. Yes, that is also equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. That is 2 into 1 plus, here root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square get cancelled. So 2 ones are 2 is the answer. Understood? Next, fifth sum. Secant square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Okay. In the place of angles, we have to substitute the values. Right. Yeah. Secant square 60. Secant 60 means how much? Yes, very good. 2. 2 square, because square is there, minus tan 60. Tan 60 how much? Yes, root 3. Root 3 whole square by sin 30. How much? Sin 30 is, yes, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30. Cos 30 is, yes, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square. Yes. Okay. So 2 square means 4 minus here square and root get be cancelled, that is 3 by this is 1 square means 1 by 2 square means 4 plus root 3 whole square means 3 by 2 square means 4, that is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. Here LCM is 4, 1 plus 3, that is equal to 1 by 4 by 4. Here 4 in 4 one time cancel, that is equal to 1 by 1, that is answer 1. Okay, so in exams if he give for 1 mark or 2 marks, you have to do in this way. You have to do in this way. Otherwise, what is the shortcut of this sum? While you are doing bits, yes, look here, secant square 60 minus tan square 60, that is trigonometric identity 2. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is the trigonometric identity. First trigonometric identity, that is also 1. 1 by 1, that is equal to 1. So while you are doing bits, you have to do in this method because saving of time. Otherwise for 1 marks or 2 marks he in exam he give means you have to do in this method. If you do in this method, you will get full marks, right? Second problem, choose the right option and justify your choice. Choose the right option and justify your choice. In this first one he has given 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees is equal to how much? 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees is equal to how much? Here he has given sin 60 degrees, cos 60 degrees, tan 30 degrees and sin 30 degrees. Right? Yeah. So let us solve this first one. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees is equal to, yes, 2 tan 30 is how much? Yes, 1 by root 3, that is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan square 45, tan 45 degrees is, yes, 1, so 1 square, that is equal to 2 into 1, 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 square means 1, that is 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1, 2. It is also can be written as 2 by root 3 into, here this is 2 only, that's why 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled, then the remaining part will be 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 means, let us check here. Sin 60 is how much? Sin 60 is, yes, root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is, yes, 1 by 2. Tan 30 is, yes, 1 by root 3. Next sin 30 is, yes, again 1 by 2. So 1 by root 3 here equal to tan 30. So that is the answer is tan 30 degrees. Okay, this is the option. This is the right option. Understood clearly? In this second one is given that 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 is equal to tan 90 or 1 or tan 45 or 0. Is given like that. Let us solve. See, solution 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees is equal to 1 minus tan square 45. That is 1 minus tan 45 is, yes, 1 square, by here 1 plus tan 45, again 1 square, that is 1 minus 1 square is 1 by 1 plus 1, that is 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 by 2 is 0. So option is D. This is the answer. Right? Next in this third sum, 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees is equal to how much? That is cos 60, sin 60 degrees, tan 60 degrees and sin 30 degrees. Okay, let us evaluate this one. See, solution 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees, that is equal to 2 tan 30 degrees is equal to what is the value? Yes, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 by 1 minus tan square 30, that is also 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 whole square, that is 2 into 1, 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 square means 1, root 3 whole square means 3 only. Yes, that is equal to 2 by root 3 by 3 ones are 3 minus 1, 2 by 3, right? That is 2 by root 3 into, this is right as 3 by 2, isn't it? It is also can be written as 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Here 3 means root 3 into root 3, we may write like this, right? Yeah, by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled, that is equal to root 3. Root 3 means here, look here, cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? Yes, that is 1 by 2. Sin 60 is? Yes, root 3 by 2. Tan 60, yes, exactly root 3. Right? So, option is this one. This is the right answer. Tan 60 degrees. Okay, clear? Third problem. Evaluate sin 60 degrees, cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees and cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sin 60 degrees plus cos sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? Okay? Yeah. Look here. First we have to find the value of this one, sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. After that, we have to find this one. Then we will conclude, right? Yeah. Take this one first. Sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Okay. Yeah. What is the value of sin 60 degrees? Yes, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Next, into cos 30 degrees is? Yes, it is also equal to root 3 by 2. Yes. Plus sin 30 is? Yes, 1 by 2. And cos 60 is equal to? Is also equal to 1 by 2. That is, root 3 into root 3 is? Yes, 3 by 2 2s are 4 plus 1 1s are 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is 4 is the LCM. 3 plus 1. This is 4 by 4. That is equal to 1. Okay. So, if you take sin 60 degrees plus cos 30 degrees, sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees, you will get 1. Understood? Now, take this one. Sin 60 plus 30. Sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. That is equal to sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is? Yes, sin 90 degrees. What is the value of sin 90? Yes, this is equal to 1. Okay, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, what can you say? Yes, what can you conclude? Yes, sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60 is equal to sin 60 plus 30. From 1 and 2, we can conclude that sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to sin 60 into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Understood? Yeah. Look here. Sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees. Sin 60 cos 30. Sin 30 cos 60. So, from this, we can clearly say, that is sin A plus B is equal to, what can you write? Sin A cos B, plus sin B cos A. So, sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus sin B cos A. This is the formula of sin A plus B. Is it clear? Okay friends, if you like my videos, please like and share. If you want more videos, Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.